They are not scared of us.
No, they are not.
Summer holidays! Finally!
Sandwiches for the trip. Check.
I am ready. I have been ready since yesterday.
Okay, everyone. Sunset Beach Pie, here we come!
Sun and beach and sun and beach and sun.
Ellie, please stop.
We are here. Look at that ocean.
It's beautiful. Wow.
Jack, bags first! Later, Dad, later! Jack, get back here!
The sand is so warm. This is perfect.
This is exactly what we needed.
Ellie, jump! Big wave coming!
Jack, wait for me!
Thank you for this, Mike. Really.
We all needed it.
35, 36, 37 shells. New record.
This is the best holiday ever.
It is only day 2, Ellie.
Still the best. I love mornings like this.
Just me and the ocean. I have never walked this far before. Whoa! A cave. I need to tell the family. We have to go inside. All of us. There is a cave, a big one, around the rocks. We have to go!
Ellie, slow down.
I am ready when you are.
It is just around here. Come on!
That is a real cave. It looks very dark inside.
It looks safe. Let us take a look. Everyone stay together. Stay close.
This is incredible.
I told you.
The water is so clear. It is beautiful. Jack, look.
Do not move. Just watch.
They are not scared of us.
No, they are not.
They are so old. Look at their eyes.
Dad, it is looking at something.
Let me see. Shine the light there.
Those drawings. That is a family. A family of 4.
That boy, that looks like me. And that girl, that looks like me.
There is writing here. Old writing. For my family. Who will find this one day? I knew you would come.
Mike, what is it?
This writing. I know this handwriting. Dad, are you okay? I need a minute. Just 1 minute. This is my grandfather. He loved the ocean. He made these drawings. He was here, in this exact cave.
He knew your family would find this one day.
He always said the ocean keeps our family together. I never understood what he meant.
You knew him too. Didn't you?
Dad, do you think the turtles were waiting for us?
Maybe they were, Ellie.
I think some things in life cannot be explained. They just happen.
We came here for a holiday. But we found something much more.
Some places feel like they were waiting for you. Like they knew you were coming.
Grandpa, I found your cave. Thank you for keeping it for us.
Goodbye, Sunset Beach. We will come back.
Of course we will, sweetie.
It's a promise.
Some secrets are not meant to be solved. They are meant to be felt and remembered forever.